Hello and welcome to Career Guarantee, where success is guaranteed by Mr. Shopon Kumar Sarkar, the pharma industry expert. Today we will discuss about antibiotics. Antibiotics are substances or chemicals produced by living microorganisms which suppress the growth of bacteria, bacteriostatic, or kill bacteria, bactericidal, at a very low concentration. The term chemotherapeutic agent was restricted to synthetic compounds. Chemotherapy means treatment of systemic infection with specific drugs that selectively suppress the pathogenic microorganisms without significantly affecting the host. Now, many antibiotics and their analogues have been synthesized. Therefore, it would be more meaningful to use the term antimicrobial agent AMA to designate synthetic as well as naturally obtained drugs that attenuate microorganisms. Antimicrobial agent, bacteriostatic. These drugs are capable of inhibiting or retarding the growth and multiplication of bacteria. Example, sulfonamides, tetracyclines, chloramphenicol, erythromycin, etc. Bactericidal. These drugs are capable of killing bacteria. Example, penicillins, cephalosporins, cotrimoxazole, vancomycin, ciprofloxacin, nalidixic acid, etc. Gram staining, a staining method of bacterial cell wall used as primary staining for identification of bacteria. There are two types of bacteria according to this staining. Gram positive bacteria. These bacteria retain gram stain because of the peptidoglycan presence in bacterial cell wall. They will become violet in color under microscope. Example, and B. anthrax, Corynebacterium diphtheria, Clostridium tetanus, gram-negative bacteria. These types of bacteria don't have peptidoglycan in their outer layer. As a result, they lose initial gram stain but take up the counter stain. They will become red in color under microscope. Example, Salmonella typhosa, typhoid fever, Vibrio cholerae, cholera, E. coli, UTI. Considering the bacterial coverage spectrum of effectiveness, antibiotics, they are of two types. Narrow spectrum antibiotics, those antibiotics which are effective against only gram positive or only gram negative bacteria alone, are called narrow spectrum antibiotics. Example, penicillin G, streptomycin, erythromycin, etc. Broad spectrum antibiotics, those antibiotics which are effective against both gram positive and gram negative bacteria are called broad spectrum antibiotics. Example, coamoxiclav, tetracycline, chloramphenicol, etc. Bacteria. Bacteria are unicellular microscopic organisms. A group of microorganisms, all of them are lacking a distinct nuclear membrane and have a cell wall of unique composition. According to the cell structure, bacteria are spherical, coccus, rod-like, bacillus, spiral, spirillum, comma-shaped, vibrio, corkscrew-shaped, spirochete. Bacteria reproduces asexually by direct cell division, amitosis. Some bacteria may reproduce sexually by conjugation. Bacteria are widely distributed in nature. Some bacteria live in soil, air, or water. Other bacteria live in host body. Commensal bacteria. Those bacteria live and grow inside a host body without hurting them or causing any disease are known as commensal bacteria. Example, gut microbiota of human body. Pathogenic bacteria. Those bacteria harmful for a host body and or causing disease are known as pathogenic bacteria. Considering the growth factor, bacteria are classified in two groups, aerobes and anaerobes. Aerobes, those microorganisms require oxygen to grow, are called aerobic bacteria. Anaerobes, those microorganisms unable to grow in the presence of oxygen, are called anaerobic bacteria. Gram positive and gram negative, both bacteria are present in both aerobic and anaerobic class of bacteria. Drug resistance. It refers to the unresponsiveness of a microorganism to an antimicrobial drug and is akin to the phenomenon of tolerance seen in higher organisms. Akin, it means belonging to the same family of antibiotic drug. Cross resistance. Acquisition of resistance to one antimicrobial drug conferring resistance to another antimicrobial agent to which the organism has not been exposed is called cross resistance. Resistance to one sulfonamide means resistance to all others, and resistance to one tetracycline means insensitivity to all others. Such resistance is often completed, but resistance to one aminoglycoside antibiotic drug may not extend to another. Example, gentamicin resistance may respond to amikacin. Organism related considerations. Each antimicrobial drug has a specific effect on a limited number of microbes. Successful chemotherapy must be rational and demands a diagnosis should be made first and presence of likely pathogens guessed. Route of administration. Many antimicrobial drugs can be given orally as well as parenterally. Antibiotic drugs like penicillin G, carbanicillin, some cephalosporins, vancomycin, etc. have to be given by injection only. For mild to moderate infection, an oral antibiotic drug is preferable. For severe infections like meningitis, septicemia, a parenteral antibiotic drug is preferable. Combination of antibiotics. More than one antibiotics are frequently used. This should be done only for specific purpose. Don't use combination blindly in the hope that if one is good then two should be better and three can cure almost all infection. The objective of using antimicrobial combination is to achieve synergistic effect, to reduce severity or incidence of adverse effect, to prevent emergence of resistance, to broaden the antimicrobial spectrum. Synergism. Every antimicrobial drug has a specific effect on selected microorganisms. Synergistic or superadditive effect may be observed when two antimicrobial drugs from different classes are used together. Two bacteriostatic drugs are often synergistic. Example, combination of tetracycline, chloramphenicol, erythromycin, etc. Combination of sulfamethoxazole and trimethoprim is known as cotrimoxazole, where synergistic effect is obtained. Two bactericidal drugs are synergistic if the organism is sensitive to both. Example, penicillin or ampicillin plus streptomycin or gentamicin for enterococcal sebe. Rifampin plus isoniazid for tuberculosis. Combination of bactericidal with bacteriostatic drug may be synergistic depending on the organisms. Example, penicillin plus tetracycline for pneumococci, amoxicillin plus azithromycin for group A streptococci, nalidixic acid plus nitrofurantoin for E. coli. Subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.